Hello everyone, this is a demo video of how can we control the OLED display and inbuilt RGB of ESP32-S3 microcontroller. So for controlling the OLED display, this is a cheap copy of actually 1.1 inch OLED display. Here we use SH1106 library. I will give the link of this library in description. You can check out from that. And also for the controlling of RGB, we will use NeoPixel library. This will be inbuilt library. When you install the MicroPython in your ESP32-S3 or any other ESP32 board, you will likely get this, so you can directly use that. So if you look at my board, here in OLED display there are 4 pin. One pin is ground, other is VCC, SCL and SDA. Ground pin will be connected to the ground pin, and VCC will be connected to the 3.3 volt of ESP32, and also the other 2 pin here, the SCL and SDA. I connect SCL with the pin number GPIO 4 and SDA with the pin number GPIO 5. Here actually the communication protocol is I2C, so here that's why there is just 4 cable or 4 input. And the inbuilt, you can see the NeoPixel is 48 number pin, so we will directly use that. Here there is a SH1106 library. You can see clearly that. Here almost is a 318 line code. You can just grab it from GitHub and install in your MicroPython or microcontroller. Here if you briefly look at the code, that here we just call the SH1106 I2C class from that, and there initiate a class of I2C. Here we define that our SCL pin is GPIO 4 and SDA pin is GPIO 5. Then for the display initialization, we here use the SH1106 I2C library, where the need to mention display size. Here is actually 1.1 inch OLED display is 128 by 64 ratio. Then the NeoPixel here 48. Then we define a function that will center the text in the display, and here is a update all function. Here we actually defined how should we actually the pixel update and the text update. And if you check just center update, we first clear the buffer display or buffer, then we calculate the center of the text, and then actually write that text in the display. After that, you will here see that first we here write some initial code that welcome to the RGB world. When we write that code, you will see that the output in the display, and here is a while loop. That means the while loop will be run as much as time you will run the code. Here first we print that this is the RGB. Here the update all function actually take 4 input, that the RGB value. First this is a text, what should be display in the OLED display, and then the color RGB value of the color. Here is green and here is the blue. If you want to write any other code with any other color, you can ready to write. Then there is a small sleep time. Now if you connect to the your USB to the UART port and then simply run the code, you will see what actually showing. Here is if you see that first you see the welcome screen, then there is the color changing with the text in RGB. RGB control. So this is a demo video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel for videos like this more.